Good morning, JMB. Today is Tuesday, October 23rd. I'm Zara Siddiqui.
And I'm Camille Batista.
Are you still looking for homecoming tickets? 50 more tickets will be available on second and third lunch shifts today. Surprised? Are you following JMB SGA on Instagram? If you were, you would already know. Find JMB SGA on Instagram to stay up to date. This is the last chance for students to sign up for the trip to Italy and Greece. All students must be signed up by 10:31 to get the guaranteed best price. The last interest meeting will be held this Thursday in the Media Center at 6 p.m. Please see Mrs. Giordano for more details.
Guidance counselors are available in the Media Center today during periods 2 through 6. Seniors that need help with their college applications or Naviance may attend. You do not need an appointment. Just get a pass from your teacher or come to the Media Center after your classes are over. SU admission counselors will meet with seniors on Friday, October 22nd in the Media Center. Seniors need to sign up for appointments in the guidance office. Appointments are available from 9:30 a.m. through 1 p.m. In order to be eligible for on-site admission, students must have their submitted complete application to SU prior to Friday.
Planning to go to college? A representative from Johns Hopkins, Radford, Stevenson, Richmond, and Christopher Newport University will be visiting JMB this week. Don't miss the chance to learn more about these schools. Juniors and seniors with a GPA of at least 2.0 should sign up in guidance. Quiz Bowl or Jeopardy? Then join the Quiz Bowl team. The team meets every Tuesday in room E120 from 2:50 to 4. Come out to the next meeting and see what the team is all about. The Quiz Bowl team is also looking for students who are interested in being a mascot, cheerleader, or part of a pep band for the team. See Mrs. Al-Naimi in E120 for more information.
Do you love Texas Roadhouse? Then come out with your family and friends tomorrow to support the JMB Drama Club. 15% of your check will be donated to help put on the fall production, Our Town. See Miss Murray in E220 for a flyer. There will be a Destination Imagination meeting this Wednesday from 2:55 to 4 in E210. Check remind messages for possible updates.
Seniors, are you stressed about your college essay? Miss Murray and Mrs. Davies will be providing essay support to you on Thursday, October 25th from 5:30 to 7 in our Media Center. There will also be financial aid and scholarships information that night. Sign up by registering at tinyurl.com/YCH or email Ms. Scheller at wcboe.org. Philosophy Club is meeting this Wednesday. See Marilyn Chen if you're interested in joining and learning about diplomacy and government.
Anyone interested in teen court will meet in G215 at 3 today. At a teen court hearing, a jury of other teens, made up of volunteers and former juvenile respondents, questions the juvenile offender both to understand the incident and to determine whether the respondent is likely to reoffend. After questioning is complete, the jury of teens deliberates in a private to decide what sanctions the youth offender should be given. Sanctions can include community service, coming back as a teen court juror, anger management classes, counseling, etc. If you cannot attend today, but you are interested in teen court, please see Mr. Portier. Lax it up. The boys lacrosse team will have an interest meeting tomorrow in 2:55 in the cafeteria. All those wishing to play must attend.
Anyone interested in trying out for baseball in spring who did not attend Tuesday's meeting needs to see Coach Sirig in B133 ASAP. Students and staff. In recognition of Bullying Awareness and Prevention Month, Unity Day is celebrated tomorrow. Everyone wear orange to show solidarity against all forms of bullying. And that's all we have for you today, JMB. Have a great day, JMB.